Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing another tool review today, and as you can tell, it's the yellow box. That means it's Dewalt. This is a Dewalt DCP 58OB. Now that is a handheld planer. Now I've got a project that I'm doing, and it's a coffee table. And I'm going to be joining the pieces together, some oak pieces together, and I need a planer. I can do it by hand with a hand planer, but I'm always thinking about something to make life a little bit easier. And it's a large project, so I want to make sure it comes out perfect. So I decided to give this thing a whirl. So let's unpack it. Let's take a look at it. I'm hoping that it's going to work out real well. Now, just so you know, this is not sponsored by Dewalt or any other company for that matter. This is stuff I purchased on my own. Well, that's nice. A little guide. Comes with a chuck. I guess that's to tighten up the blades. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so these are, I guess, an adjustment for the blade, or to replace the blade. That's a guide if you're doing, I guess, a door jamb or a door sill or something of that sort to run the planer smoothly against it. I'm not sure what that is. Not sure. We'll figure that out. Let me put this box over here for a second. Let's take a look and see what that piece of plastic is for, or it's for anything. Okay. Yeah, it's showing for installing the blade. Okay, so we're going to need that. We can't lose that. And if I'm not mistaken, I think the blade's already installed on this guy. It is. Nice and sharp too. Okay, so what we got here is adjustments. So the adjustment on the top will give us the thickness, I'm pretty sure. How much we're taking off. And it adjusts the bottom plate, which is awesome. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, you loosen that, it makes life a little easier. And then you can tighten it so it doesn't move. So we have it set to remove less. So we've got different settings here. So we've got 0, in between to 11/64 to 132, down to 3/64, down to 1/16, and 5/64. So that's how much you can remove with this guy at one time. Interesting. Very nice. So you loosen this guy up and you can adjust it. So we're going to keep it at the largest setting. We'll put it at just a little bit past 0. And we'll tighten this up and see how that works out. Okay, let's give this thing a whirl. It's pretty straightforward. And that's just a clamp. Let me just make sure. Well, sounds pretty good. Okay, so I've got some wood here. This is the wood that I actually need. And this is the one that needs some planing right now. So let's give this a shot and see how it pans out. ain't taking much off. Let's do 11/64 and see how that works out. Not bad. Very nice. Let's take off just a touch more. Nice click by click. Wow. That made that go real simple. Nice and clean. Okay, let's just do this side. So if you take a look at this side, you'll see all the burr marks from the blade, right? Because I cut this. Let's try this side and see how it comes out. Wow, that makes life so much easier. Wow, guys. That worked out real well. Okay, so you know what we're going to do? We'll do another one, and we'll see how it binds together. Let's try another one. This also has all the burr marks from the blade. Worked out pretty good. Let's do the other side, and I'll show you before I put up against it. Wow. Okay, let me get a little duster and I'll dust the table. And let's see how this thing works. See if it works, if it blends in nicely. How well it planes. Feels pretty good. Okay, so not quite. We still got a little bit of a stomach in the middle of this guy. So which one is the one that's not sitting right? Okay, so we got to plane down a little bit. And you cleaned it. It's not perfectly straight. Okay, so we got to clean that up a little bit in the middle. All right, let's see if we can do that. Let's see if this thing will do it. I mean, the idea is to get this thing to get it to sit tightly. So what we want to do is, let me get a pencil. I'm just going to mark where I see we need it from here to here. And we'll take down that amount. down the center. Let's see what happens. Ah, now we're getting better. Okay, so we still got to take a little bit off. Get this guy to join properly. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking off very little at a time. I could take off more, but it's the spacing is getting smaller and smaller, which is great. Now we're talking. So now I got to go from top to bottom, and we should be perfect. We got a little bit here and a little bit there. One pass, and I should be, maybe two passes, I should be good. So let's take her down a little bit. And I'll take her down here a little. Not bad. So we need to take out the middle just a tad more. And clean off that end. So there we're good. Here we got to come down just a touch. There we got to come down just a touch. Just the end. Wow, that's looking pretty good, guys. Not bad at all. Very impressed. So guys, it's a nice unit. It's pretty light. Feels durable. Does make a mess. There is an optional bag you can buy for this to catch it. I think Dewalt should have thrown that in, but that's besides the point. But I can understand why, because you'd have to empty it on a constant basis. But as far as planing is concerned, I did a pretty good job. It really did. So it's a win. Hope you guys enjoyed this short segment on tool review. So if you guys are interested, it's a nice unit. Guys, thanks for watching. Think about subscribing to the channel. And if you like, throw me a thumbs up.